Next example is integration of secant x into dx. So we don't know integration of secant x directly. So what we will do, there are two ways for solving integration of secant x dx. So first way is what? Integration of secant x. Here we are multiplying secant x plus tan x divided by secant x plus tan x. If you multiply and divide these two, there is no effect into dx. This will come. Now what you will do, secant x plus tan x, you will take t. Secant x plus tan x, we will assume t. So everything we have to convert in terms of t. So what you will do, we will differentiate this one. So what will come? D of secant x plus tan x equal to dt. So you have to differentiate this one. So we have to differentiate secant x. So differentiation of secant x is what? Secant x into tan x. Then x differentiate what will come? Dx plus. Now we have to differentiate tan x. So tan x differentiate what? Secant square x. And x differentiate what will come? Dx equal to dt. This will come. Now here secant x dx we can take common. So what will come? Secant x in bracket tan x plus secant x, and dx also we are taking common equal to dt. This will come. So you can see here, this will become what? Secant x into secant x plus tan x into dx, numerator. This is fully what? Dt. So dt. And denominator is what? T. Secant x plus tan x is what? T. So dt by t. So this one we can add what? Ln modulus of t plus c. So if we put t value here, so t is what? Secant x plus tan x. So what will come? Ln modulus of secant x plus tan x plus c. This is your integration of secant x. Now this one we can write in different forms. Okay. So if you want to write different form, so what you will do here? See, we know secant square x minus tan square x equal to 1, because we know that 1 plus tan square x what? Secant square x. So secant square x we can write secant square x minus tan square x we can write 1. So from here if you factorize, we will get secant x minus tan x into secant x plus tan x equal to 1. So from here secant x plus tan x is what? 1 divided by secant x minus tan x. So here ln this one we can add what? 1 divided by secant x minus tan x plus c. This one also we can write. Next thing, we can convert this one in terms of sine and cos also. So if we convert this one in terms of sine and cos, what will come? This will come what? I am writing here ln modulus of secant x plus tan x plus c. This one we are writing in terms of sine and cos. So what will come? Ln modulus of is what? 1 by cos x plus this is what? Sine x divided by cos x plus c. So here we can take cos x common. Cos x we can take LCM. So ln 1 plus sine x divided by cos x. Cos x is what? LCM plus c. Okay. So how to write this one? So what we are writing? Ln 1 we are writing as what? Sine square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. Okay, because we know sine square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1. So instead of 1 we are writing sine square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. Okay, plus sin x we are writing what? 2 sine x by 2 into cos x by 2, half angle formula, divided by cos x we are writing what? Cos square x by 2 minus sine square x by 2 plus c. This will come. Okay, so this will come what? Ln modulus of this one we can add what? In bracket sine x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square divided by, and denominator we are factorizing. So this will come what? Cos x by 2 minus sine x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus sine x by 2 modulus close plus c. This will come. So here this is getting cancelled. So we'll get what? Ln modulus of sine x by 2 plus cos x by 2, sine x by 2 plus cos x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 minus sine x by 2 plus c. Now what you will do here, from numerator and denominator we are taking cos x by 2 common. So what will come? Ln modulus of sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. This will come what? Tan x by 2 plus 1. And here also cos x by 2 we are taking common. So what will come? 1 minus tan x by 2. Okay. Cos x by 2 from numerator and cos x by 2 from denominator is getting cancelled. Plus c. This will come. Now 1 plus tan x by 2 divided by 1 minus tan x by 2 we can write as, this one I am writing here, ln modulus of, this one we are writing what? 1 we are writing what? Tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 2 as it is. 1 minus, here we are writing what? Tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is what? 1. So there is no effect, into tan x by 2 plus c. So this will come what? Ln modulus of tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 2, 1 minus tan pi by 4 plus tan into tan x by 2. This one we can add what? Tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. So this will come. So integration of secant x dx we can write what? First formula is what? This one. Second formula is what? This one. Third form is what? This one. And fourth form is what? This one. Okay. So integration of secant x dx we can write ln modulus of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. Next we are discussing integration of secant x dx by second method. So for that what you will do? Secant x we will write 1 by cos x into dx. Now here we are multiplying cos x numerator and denominator. So this one we can write cos x divided by cos square x dx. Okay. So if we cancel cos x by cos x, we will get 1 by cos x into dx. Now what we will do? Integration of cos x dx as it is. Cos square x we can write 1 minus sin square x. Now here sin x we are taking what? T. Now everything we have to convert in terms of t. So for that what we will do? We will differentiate this one. So we will write d of sin x equal to dt. So sin differentiate what will come? Cos x, x differentiate dx equal to dt. This will come. So cos x dx we can write dt. 1 minus sin x we can write t, so 1 minus t square. So for that we know formula. This will come what? 1 by 2, a is what? 1. So 2 into 1 ln modulus of 1 plus t divided by 1 minus t plus c. T value is what? Sin x. So if you put sin x here, what will come? 1 by 2 ln modulus of 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x plus c. Now instead of 1 we will put sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2, because sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 is what? 1. So instead of 1 we will put this one. So what will come? 1 by 2 ln modulus of numerator is what? 1 plus sin x. So instead of 1 we will put what? Sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 plus sin x we can write what? 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 modulus divided by denominator also instead of 1 we will put what? This one. So what will come? Sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 minus sin x we will write what? 2 sin half angle formula divided by into cos x by 2 plus c. This will come. Okay, so this will come what? 1 by 2 ln modulus of numerator will become what? Sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square. Denominator will become what? Sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 whole square plus c. Okay, so 1 by 2 we can take in power. So what will come? Ln modulus of in bracket sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 divided by sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 whole square to the whole power 1 by 2 plus c. So this is getting cancelled. Now here we are taking cos x by 2 common from numerator also and denominator also. So what will come? Ln modulus of tan x by 2 plus 1 divided by tan x by 2 minus 1 plus c. Okay, so here what we will do? This one we can write ln 1 plus tan x by 2. So instead of 1 what we can write? Tan pi by 4 So this will come 10 pi by 4 plus 10 x by 2 divided by, denominator is what, 10 x by 2 minus 1. So here we are taking minus common. So we take minus common, in bracket 1 minus 10 x by 2, 10 x by 2, and here we are multiplying 10 pi by 4 because 10 pi by 4 is what, 1. Modulus clause plus c. Okay, so ln modulus of minus is what, modulus of minus x is what, modulus of x only. So here minus we can get cancelled. So this will come what, ln modulus of, this will come what, 10 pi by 4 plus 10 x by 2 divided by 1 minus 10 pi by 4 into 10 x by 2 plus c. Okay, now this one we can write what, ln modulus of 10 pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. Okay, so this is second way.